Ever wondered how small creatures can have a big impact on the environment? Meet the agouti, a fascinating rodent with a mission. These medium-sized rodents play a crucial role in the ecosystem by acting as seed dispersers. They have a knack for finding and burying seeds in various locations, kind of like little gardeners planting their own secret stashes. This is vital for forest regeneration, as they disperse seeds to different areas, fostering plant diversity. But that's not all. What is truly remarkable is their exceptional memory. They are able to remember the location of numerous buried seeds, ensuring a future food source and creating a natural